Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McMullen County, northern LaSalle County, until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Somerset to Charlotte to near Dilley to near Big Wells, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Cotulla, Kilburn, Gardendale, Crowther, Los Angeles, Millet, Cross, Zilla, Callingham, Fullerton, and Woodward. A tornado watch remains in effect for the area. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service or your nearest law enforcement agency, who will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Corpus Christi. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas.